Welcome back to Korean Grammar Made Easy. Do you sometimes say "고 싶다" even when you are talking about someone else? Or wonder why Koreans say "고 싶어 해요" in some situations but not others? These two expressions look almost the same, but they show those desire in it. By the end of today's lesson, you will know exactly when to use each one. Here's the rule you must remember. 고 싶다. It's about your own desire. So, first person, I want to. 고 싶어 하다. It's more about someone else's desire. So, it's third person, he or she wants to. Think of it like this. 싶다 equals feelings you can directly feel. 싶어 하다 equals describing someone else's feelings or behavior. Korean avoids directly stating another person's internal feelings, so we use 싶어 하다 to show inference, not assumption. Take a look at some examples. 고 싶다, self-desire. 저는 먹고 싶어요. I want to eat. 집에 가고 싶어요. I want to go home. 한국어를 잘하고 싶어요. I want to speak Korean well. When it comes to 고 싶어 하다, others desire. 친구가 먹고 싶어 해요. My friend wants to eat. 동생이 여행하고 싶어 해요. My younger brother wants to travel. 학생들이 쉬고 싶어 해요. The students want to rest. Notice the pattern. I'm a desire. Take a look at 싶다. Others desire. It's about 싶어 하다. Imagine the situation. You and a friend are hungry, you say. 나는 피자가 먹고 싶어요. I want to eat pizza. But when you explain your friend's feelings, 친구는 파스타를 먹고 싶어해요. My friend wants pasta. Another example at home. Mom said, 집에 가고 싶니? Do you want to go home? Maybe I say, 집에 가고 싶어요. I want to go home. But you telling someone else, 아이가 집에 가고 싶어 해요. The child wants to go home. These are common mistakes. 친구가 집에 가고 싶어요. Incorrect unless you are quoting your friend's direct words. So, 친구가 집에 가고 싶어 해요. You are describing their desire. So, use 싶어 하다. Another mistake. 저는 공부하고 싶어 해요. You cannot use 싶어 하다 for yourself. So use 싶어요. 저는 공부하고 싶어요. In Korean culture, it's considered more polite and accurate not to guess someone's internal feelings directly. It's more about cultural thing. That's why 싶어요 is only for yourself. When talking about others, 싶어 하다 shows observation, inference, respect for emotional boundaries. It sounds much more natural in daily conversation. Quick review. 고 싶다. I want to. 고 싶어 하다. He or she wants to. Practice describing your day. 저는 커피가 마시고 싶어요. I want to drink coffee. 친구는 차를 마시고 싶어 해요. My friend wants tea. Try writing two sentences in the comments. One about your desire, one about someone else's.